So if you want to learn how to trade options, purchase my ebook located in the description below. If you're seeing this on TikTok, it's located in my IG bio. So how did I make $313 with 50 cents? So I traded SPY call options, and basically I bought my first SPY call option on January 6th. So this candle, let's see if this works or not, but so what was it? When did I buy it? 1232. So the 1232 candle, which is that one? No, this candle right here, basically. So when I saw that SPY had landed on the 9-day moving average, I got into one call option, right? And then from there, right, I just basically started buying as soon as it started landing on the other moving averages. So once I bought on the 9-day moving average, I just patiently waited to see if it could approach the 20-day moving average. I bought another call option there. Then I bought another call option on this candle because it approached the pre-market low candle around 594. And then I just patiently waited throughout the day to see if SPY could approach the 50-day moving average. It did, so I bought a couple call options in this area around the 50-day moving average. And then on the next day, January 7th, which is today, I sold out the position because the market opened around 597. And so when I sold out my position was up 6.99%, which basically I made $313 with 50 cents just trading SPY call options. And so basically the strategy of what I'm doing right now is basically what I'm trying to do is step one, buy SPY when I feel like it's oversold, specifically buying call options that expire within 30 days or more. So but just know that the more further out expiration dates that you buy into SPY call options, it's going to be a little bit more pricey. And then the second step is just to patiently wait for your position to be in the 5 or 10% range, and then once it's in that range, you sell out the position for a small 5 or 10% gain. And then step 3 would just be rinse and repeat the cycle over and over again when you see that SPY is oversold. And so basically what I like to do when SPY, let's say I bought a single SPY call option, right, at a good support level, right, and then let's say it's down all of a sudden, right, the position, let's say it's down 5%. Basically what I like to do, me personally, is that I like to wait and basically observe if during the day, right, if I use the daily chart basically, and basically what I like to do is that I use the 30-minute time chart in a way to aim my entries. So for example, I like to use the moving averages on the 30-minute time chart, so I'll patiently wait, buy one single call option on the 9-day moving average. Once it lands on the 20-day moving average, I'll buy another call option there, and so on and so forth, right? But sometimes that kind of, I sometimes do it like that way, but the other way that I do it as well too is that I use the daily chart, right? And so let's say I bought it at the high of around 597, right? Okay, I messed up, I bought it at the high. What should I do now? Basically, I'll just patiently wait and see on the daily chart and see if SPY can land on any of these below moving averages. So if it can approach the 9-day moving average, I'll just wait and patiently wait until SPY approaches the 9-day moving average. And then if I see that, okay, now I want to buy around the 50-day moving average, I'll buy another single SPY call option once it lands on the 50-day moving average. And then from there, right, once that I see that it's broken below all of the moving averages, then I'd use support levels. And what I mean by that is that basically right now the next support level that SPY could approach is around 5, I want to say anywhere from 583 through 580 is the next support level that SPY could approach. And so what I'll do, I'll just patiently wait and see, okay, if SPY can get to those, support levels soon, then I'll buy another single call option there. And that's basically what I've been doing in a way, sort of, but I've been sticking more to like using the 30-minute time chart in a way. But sometimes when I feel like I want to see like a better when I want to see a I guess like I'll try to mix using the daily chart as well in a way, and be like, okay, let me see how in the long term SPY would look like, right? So I'll try to use the daily chart and be like, oh, okay, it's gonna land on maybe on the 50-day moving average soon, or it's gonna land on the 9-day moving average soon, or it's gonna approach this certain support level soon. And I use the daily chart sometimes just to get a better look of where SPY could be heading towards to, because sometimes the 30-minute time chart isn't reliable, but so far I would say the 30-minute time chart is super reliable for me personally. I don't know about for other people, right? But and then right now I have some good news and some bad. Well, the good news is basically, we are still successful with this, SPY trading strategy. But right now, the current position I'm in right now, I'm in another SPY call option trade, right? But right now it's down 11.16%. So right now it's down $612, right? And so what will I do, right? Basically, when I see that SPY approaches, being down 20%, I'll buy another single call option there, right? And then what I like to do is basically, I like to see if I see that it's gonna approach 583 through 580, right, I'll buy another single call option around that small support level. And then if I see that on the daily chart, right, I start seeing that I start seeing SPY going up, right, I won't buy any more call options, and I'm just gonna wait and patiently see that my position to turn into the green, which basically I want to wait for my position to be in the 5 or 10% range. That way I can sell out the position for a small 5 or 10% gain. And basically what you're kind of doing in a way is you're kind of dollar cost averaging, but with options in a way. And so, but in a way you kind of want to be smart about it. You just don't want to be like, oh, I'm just gonna buy another call option here, or I'm just gonna feel like it. You gotta have a game plan in a way, sort of. And basically you kind of want to also pay attention to your percentage of your position. So that's pretty much it. Basically the position right now that I'm currently in, right, it's red. And so just like last time, right, I talked about the position was it was down by almost $8,000, and then I made $3,000. It came back in the green. So that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. I will keep documenting this strategy to show you guys if it's somewhat reliable or is it not reliable. But hopefully you guys have a great night. As always, this is not financial advice. As always, do your own research. So that's pretty much it. Take care and bye.